Hey, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This year, the Ryobi days, one of the things I bought was this Ryobi ONE 18-volt Jigsaw. Now, this comes, if you buy the 2 batteries and a charger for $99, you get the tool for free. So, let's go over this thing. Let's see if this thing's worth $99. Let me rearrange the camera. I'll be right back with you. And this is the battery pack that you get with the Ryobi days. One pack of 2 batteries and a charger. Now last year or the year before, I can't remember which one, it came with a carry case about the size of a nice little lunchbox. But this year it didn't come with them. I don't really need one, so it's not a big deal. So, here we go. Up to 3 times more runtime. 4 amp, 18 volt lithium-ion starter kit. Works with any A1 Plus tool. 3-year limited warranty. There we go. That is that. Part number PSK006. So, first thing I noticed right off the bat when I took these out was this. Last year they were gray. This year they're green. And if you notice, the new ones are longer. And I'm certain it's because of this reason I'm going to show you. Let's see if I put this battery in that one, put this battery in this one. Which one's easier to read the LED readout? This one, the base sticks out further, so of course it's going to be easier to read, right? I think that's a great improvement. The battery themselves are basically the same, but whoops, let me get the old battery right here. The old battery, I'll turn it this way. The LED readout is different. You see right here it has 4 long LED lines right there. And on this one, it's a little bit shortened up. I prefer the readout on the old one, but it's not really a big deal. The shape of the bottom is a little bit different. There we go. The placement of the sticker, a little bit different, not a big deal. Size is the same. Let's see, whoops, let's go this way with it. Coloring is a little bit different. And the easiest way to tell from the new ones from the old ones is the new ones have a green sticker on the top instead of this is like embossed into the plastic. I don't see where either one of them has advantage over the other one. But like I said, I like the readout of the LED fuel tank on this one better. Not LED. I guess it is LED, right? Anyway, that's the difference between the batteries and the chargers of the new and old. Let's see. Let's see here. It has places on here where you can mount it to your pegboard or your wall or whatever you like. It looks like a 6-foot cord. So that's the basics. I'm not really an expert on batteries, electricity, voltage, watts, ohms, resistors. I'm not an expert in any of that kind of stuff. So all I can tell you about batteries is what I noticed from my eyes. Okay, for some reason it has 4.5 inches or 114 millimeters. I don't know what that, oh, That's the distance for measurement when you're putting nails or screws in a wall. So that, yeah, it's kind of handy, I guess, if you need it. There we go. This is the 2 battery pack that Ryobi is offering. Buy the 2 batteries, $99. Get the tool free. Okay, here we go. Already taken all the contents out of the box. 18-volt orbital jig saw. And I have no idea what all this says down here. And let's see here. On the top, any ONE+ tool works with ONE+ battery. Let's see on the back, just a brief description of everything back here. Stickers covering up a lot of it. Here's a side panel. Okay, here's the tool itself. Came with 1 blade. Disappointed that it only came with 1 blade, but you know, it is what it is. Has the owner's manual, operator's manual, owner's manual. We have this little piece of paper right here that I've never looked at. And we have this little pamphlet showing all the different tools that are available in this series. It says over 50 40-volt tools and over 175 ONE+ tools, 18-volt. Anyway, don't really need this. So this is just going to go straight into the trash over there. I've already got another one somewhere. Okay, this is pretty big. Really, it's pretty big. Overall length is, without the battery, just over 10 inches, and depth is just under 9 inches. Thickness, let's just go right here, is, I'm going to call that 3 inches thick. Okay, got a nice rubberized handle right here. Pretty comfortable. Kind of heavy though. This is without the battery and it's still kind of heavy. There we go. Here's the trigger. And you can push this button and the trigger will stay activated. Throughout the, well, there we go. Anyway, I'll show you that later. It has a speed match, and 0 is for thin metals, plastics, veneers. 1 is PVC pipe. 2 is for plywood. 3 is for like 2x4s. And here's the adjustment knob right here with little indentions in it. Has this wrench right here, this Allen wrench, stores in the back of the handle. And that is for, first off, you can loosen it right here to get your bevels. And let's see, it's indentions of 15, 30, and 45 degrees. And also, you can, which is the first time I've ever seen this, loosen up these 2 knobs right here, these 2 screws. And I really like this feature. Let's get these 2 loosened up right here. I'll show you what it does. There's that one. Loosen this one up. And as you're using your blade, the blade will get duller. So you can loosen those 2 up and extend this to go to a different part of your saw blade. There we go. It moves in 1/8 inch increments. So that's a great feature. I like that a lot. So let me tighten that back up right here. And do the second one. lock that up. Put the wrench back in its holder right there. Okay, here's the speed control right here on top. And where you load your blade. Let me take this blade out of this package right here and show you how easy it is to do this. No tools are needed for loading a blade. And while we're talking about blade, this uses the T-handle or T-shank blades. See that looks like a T right there? The other type is the U-shape. And it does not take the U-shape, it takes the T-shank blades. And there you go. See this little knob right here? You just turn this knob. That's where you put the blade in. And of course it just fell. Let me pick that blade up, back up. So I'm going to push this up. Load the blade, making sure that the blade sits into the tracking right here. There you go, there's a good view of it. And let's put the battery in. Got a fully charged battery right here. You can see all 4 lights come up. There we go. Speed's all the way down. Low speed. High speed. And I'm going to push the button. So it is pretty loud on high speed, but I've had some jigsaws that were much louder than this. So, pretty self-explanatory. It is really heavy with that battery though, but give and take some, right? Give and take. Cordless for a little bit more weight. Let me unplug this battery. Let's go outside and try this thing. Be right back with you. Okay folks, there you go. You saw me cut that 2x4 a couple times, and it was really a nice, even, easy cut. Now granted, I'm using the blade that came with the tool, so good quality blade. Might be a little bit easier to use on a 2x4. Of course, a blade with closer teeth together, or higher number TPI, which is teeth per inch, will be better on plywood. So, $99 tool. It's time for me to give away my corded tools. Use this one. Think I'm going to be happy with it. It's got all the features I need, being the average homeowner user. If you have this, let me know how you like yours. Leave a comment in the section below. And I do appreciate you watching.